go. My name's Bear Grylls. I'm here to teach you how to survive in the wild with one of mankind's most ancient and effective weapons, the bow and arrow. I've hurt a hostile creature. Now I'm going to teach you how to take it out with one shot.
But first thing you gotta know before you get to survive in the woods, you gotta know how bows and arrows work. So basically, this string right here, you pull it back, you let it, take the string, take it, you take the string, and you take it on there, and you pull it back, you pull it, you pull it. I think we need a master to do this. Oh, whoa!
All
That
right,
was
guys,
cool.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's awesome. Hey, you look like you know how to use a bow and arrow.
I do.
Well, can you like shoot one at that barn over there?
No problem. I'll show you how it's done. Catch this, cameraman.
Oh!
That's called a bank shot. It's gonna be a hard time getting that arrow, but it was worth it for a demonstration. Now, as I'm searching for this arrow, I figured I'd explain the project. What we're gonna do is measure how the force of tension changes the distance an arrow travels, and by what proportion. So I just marvel at the, oh, spiderweb! Check that out. Marvel at the wonders of nature while I look for this arrow that I just shot previously. I'm not sure if I can find it, but that's basically the gist of this project. Let's go. Well, looks like the arrow's gone, but figured I'd explain some background research. Now, the tension of arrows depends on the, not the tension of arrows, the tension of bows depends on the bow's poundage. Now, the bow we're going to use for this experiment has a poundage of 30. That's pretty small because it's a beginner bow, but if I use my better one, somebody might end up getting hurt, so we're trying to play it safe.
So, for this experiment, we're gonna need a bow, obviously, with arrows, also obviously, and we need a ruler to measure the distance that the bow went and the tensile strength of the bow. So.
Because of lack of materials, we're going to use a spear, just 6 feet 3 inches.
This is going to determine our starting point. We can get this straight here.
Hey!
Alright, I'm going to pull the bow about 1 inch from the starting point. Just about right here, using the ruler to determine where I'm going to pull it. At about 1 inch, that's about 2 pounds of force. At about 12 inches, 1 foot, that's about 30 pounds of force. So let's test it out for 1 inch. Now let's measure. You already know the spear is 6 feet 3 inches. And the arrow, measuring from the tip, is 6 foot 3. And we can measure that it landed about, the wooden shaft is about 5 feet, plus an extra 6 inches. That's about 6 foot 3 plus 5 feet. That's 11 foot 3 inches plus 6 inches. It's 11 feet 9 inches that traveled.
11 feet 9 inches.
All right, now we're gonna measure it from 2 inches. That's about 1, 2. A little bit farther this time. Let's check it out. That's 6 foot 3. Hold it there. Another 6 foot 3. Hold it there. That's 12.6 so far. That's another 6 foot 3. It's 18.9. And let's just use the rest of the ruler. It's about another foot plus 2 more inches. So that's 12.9 plus 1 foot. That's 13.9. It's 13 feet 11 inches.
13 feet 11. You're supposed to do the thing. Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna test it from 5 inches. Draw it back. That's about half minus 1. It's about 10 pounds of force right here. Pull back and fire. Let's test it out. So we've got 6'3". 6'3". Another 6'3". Another 5 foot 2 inches. That's 6 feet, 5 feet, 18'9". That's 5 feet. That's 29 plus 2 inches. It's about 22'11". 23'11", I mean.
12 inches.
This is all 30 pounds right here. All 12 inches. Let's measure the distance. Did you see that?
Get up there.
Excellent shot. Come on, let's go.
If we in the wild, this would have killed an elk.
It would have. Would have punctured straight through the elk's sternum and crushed its heart. But back to a scientific note, let's go measure that distance. 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more little guesstimation here. That's about
half a spear.
it's about half of it, so let's say it's about 3'1". So we got 6'3" times 10 plus 3'1". Let's calculate. That's 65 feet 7 inches.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Amazing!
I admire your enthusiasm. That was a nice lesson with the bow. I bet I taught you a few things about hunting. But next episode, I'm gonna teach you how to use the spear. Looks like we got a wild animal right now.
Do I get paid for this?
Of course not. I'll teach you that next time. But next episode, I'm gonna teach you how to use the spear. Looks like we got a wild animal right now.
Do I get paid for this?
Of course not. I'll teach you that next time.